Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing two of my most loved foundations. So first one is this Maybelline Superstay foundation and second one is this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation. I love both these foundations. These foundations are literally amazing and I love both of them. I just love them, and I personally do not feel that there is any difference between these two foundations, but a lot of people do. And I haven't even ever compared these foundations, so I don't know, there must be some difference, and we will be figuring out that today in this particular video. And we'll be talking about a lot more things about these two foundations. I'll be reviewing these foundations separately as well, and I'll be telling you each and everything about these foundations along with the comparison. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so starting with the packaging of the products, let's talk about the Maybelline Superstay foundation first. So I received this product in this particular way itself. It did not have any outer packaging like a box or something of Maybelline. It comes in a glass bottle with a cap and a pump. This is a plastic cap and it comes with a pump. Previously the Maybelline Fit Me foundation did not have any pump, but later they added the pump in Fit Me as well. But this foundation always had a pump, which is a very good thing because it's cleaner to use and it's easy to use. So it's very good if your foundation has a pump. Whereas this L'Oreal Infallible foundation does not comes in a glass bottle. It has a tube. It does not have any pump. You can see this is how the tube looks. So when we compare the packaging of these two foundations, this is a little cleaner than this one and a little easier to use. But if you compare in terms of traveling, this is better because this is lighter and this takes a lot lesser space than this one. So in terms of cleanliness, this is better, and in terms of ease, this is better. And if you compare in terms of traveling or something, this one is better because this is lighter and this takes lesser space. So yeah. So now let's talk about the prices and the quantities of these two products. The MRP of Maybelline Superstay foundation is 750 rupees and the MRP of L'Oreal Infallible foundation is also 750 rupees. The quantity of this foundation is 35 ml and the quantity of Maybelline foundation is 30 ml. So this foundation has 5 ml extra product compared to this one, but you always get this product Maybelline Superstay 1 in heavy discount, but you don't always get this product in discount. Like even if the discount is there, it's just like 50 rupees less or 100 rupees less, that's it. You get this product in somewhere around 600, 650, 680, but this product you can get also under 500, under 600. It just depends on the offer and the time you are purchasing it and the site you are purchasing it from. So you always get heavy discounts on this product, but not so much discount on this product. But this product has 5 ml extra quantity. So yeah, okay, so now let's talk about the shade range of these foundation. As we all know, both these brands have amazing shade range. You are definitely going to find your shade in these foundations. These brands have foundation and concealer for almost all skin colors, and that's what make these foundations and these brands so good. But अगर हम लोग डार्कर शेड्स की बात करें तो Maybelline Superstay फाउंडेशन में डार्कर शेड्स वाले फाउंडेशंस थोड़े कम हैं और जो डार्केस्ट शेड है दैट इज नॉट सो डार्क. Whereas L'Oreal Infallible foundation में जो darkest shade है that is really dark, and that is very good for people who have very dark skin tone. So I hope this makes sense. जो L'Oreal Infallible का darkest shade है that is really dark, whereas Maybelline Superstay foundation's darkest shade is not so dark. So that is the small difference in the shade range of these two foundations. My shade in L'Oreal Infallible foundation is 260 Golden Sun, whereas my shade in Maybelline Superstay foundation is 312 Golden. So both the foundations are pretty much same. They have pretty much same undertone, which is golden undertone. So let me show it to you guys. Okay, you can see the shades are very similar and both the shades matches my skin tone perfectly. So you can see, So you can see the Maybelline Superstay foundation is just a little thicker than the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, you can see, but both the foundations have absolutely amazing coverage. Both the foundations are full coverage foundation, and both foundations are really good in terms of coverage. Although the Superstay foundation is a little bit thicker, but it is L'Oreal Infallible foundation is no less than the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So since this one is a little bit thicker and this one is a little more liquidy, this gives a lot more natural finish than the Maybelline Superstay one. So that is the difference in finish and the consistency, the formula of these two foundations. Okay, so now let's come to the swatches, and we will also check how much these foundations oxidizes. So the foundation on left is Maybelline Superstay and the foundation on right is L'Oreal Infallible. So a lot of us think that Superstay oxidizes the most, but let's check what happens. So this is how my foundation looks after it has dried up. So both the foundation looked very similar in the beginning, but now you can see L'Oreal Infallible has oxidized a lot and it will oxidize more after some time. So you can see it has oxidized a lot more than Maybelline Superstay foundation. So let's start with the application of the two foundations. On one side of my face, I'll be using this Maybelline Superstay foundation, and on the other side, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation. So I have already prepped up my face. I've used a toner, I've used a very light moisturizer since my skin is very oily, and then a primer on top of that. So I'll straight away go with these foundations. I'll be using a beauty blender for blending my foundation on both the sides, because I only use a brush when I'm lazy enough to get up and wet my beauty blender. So my beauty blender is ready. I'll be using a beauty blender on both the sides. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so first I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation on this side of my face. So let me take this out at the back of my hand. Okay, so this is Maybelline Superstay foundation. You can see it is a very beautiful foundation with a very nice coverage. Although I used a very little amount, like मैंने थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अपने hand पे back of the hand पे लिया और थोड़ा सा bottle से फिर से निकाला है. I've used a very little amount, but you can see it has given a beautiful coverage. Now let's see how the L'Oreal one works. So you can see this is L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and both the foundations are like 95 to 98% both the foundations are same on camera obviously, but अगर आप in person देखोगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा difference लगेगा दोनों foundations में. If you see in person, the foundations are little bit different from each other, as in this foundation is a lot more drying and a lot more mattifying rather. This foundation is better for oily skin type people, and this foundation can be used by anyone. It is good for all skin types. Somewhere or the other, I like the finish of this foundation, the L'Oreal one, more because it kind of gives me a more natural finish, whereas the Maybelline Superstay one is not so natural looking foundation. It is better for, you know, parties and big occasions, or brides, you can say. It is better for them. It is not very good for everyday, but this foundation can be used for everyday. Although both the foundations are full coverage foundation, but if you use a little amount of this one, it will look very beautiful on an everyday basis. So I kind of like the finish of this foundation more right now. Let's wait for some time. I'll do the full makeup and let's see how this foundation looks after some time. So we will check how long these foundation stays and how these foundation looks after some time. So I'll see you after around 2 hours. Okay, so I have done my full face makeup and it has been almost 2 hours since I've applied my foundation. Now with the help of a tissue paper, we'll check how much the foundation transfers. And in terms of finish, I already said that I like the finish of L'Oreal Infallible more because it gives a more natural finish. But now this side of my face where I applied L'Oreal Infallible foundation feels a little bit oily, although this is also a matte foundation, and matte foundations are usually meant for oily skin people. It's good for oily skin people. Still, this feels a little bit oilier when compared to this one. This side feels absolutely matte and absolutely dry, whereas this side feels a little bit shinier and oilier. But that does not mean this side feels absolutely oily and I don't like this side. I like the finish of this side more still. So let's check the transferability of these foundations with the help of a tissue paper. Okay, so this side was Maybelline Superstay foundation and you can see it hasn't transferred at all. Now this side, let's check the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Okay, so L'Oreal Infallible foundation has transferred a little bit. I hope you guys can see right here. You can see right here. It has transferred just a little bit only because this one is totally matte and dry and this one felt a little bit oilier, as I said. So it transferred a little bit, and let me tell you, I did not apply any setting spray. I'm not much of a setting spray person, so I don't apply setting spray too much. So I need a foundation which absolutely sticks to my skin and it doesn't comes off as long as I don't want it to. So L'Oreal Infallible foundation transferred a little bit, whereas the Maybelline Superstay foundation, this side, did not transfer at all. L'Oreal Infallible foundation transferred a little bit. You can see this area. I hope you guys can see the difference in color of the tissue paper. So that's how these foundations are. It transferred a little bit after some time, after 2 hours almost. Now let's wait for some more time, for almost 5 to 6 hours. Then we'll check the finish of these foundations again. So bye bye, see you then. Okay, so I am back and it has been almost 5 hours and I can definitely say both these foundation looks absolutely amazing. So first of all, thumbs up to both the foundations. Let me tell you, I have done no touch-ups. I did not apply any setting spray. Absolutely, honestly, I did not do any touch-up, and you can see how gorgeous both the foundation still looks. Okay, so that was a general review on both the foundation. Both the foundation looks really good until now, until 5 hours of application. But when I see in person, I am pretty sure that you cannot figure out the difference on camera. But when I see in person, when I see in a mirror, I can definitely notice the difference between the two foundations. The finish of I applied same moisturizer, same primer, and the finish of the Maybelline Superstay foundation is still really good. The finish of the Maybelline Superstay foundation looks absolutely smooth. It looks poreless and it looks amazing. It still looks very good. Whereas the finish of the L'Oreal Infallible foundation has somewhere changed a lot. My skin, my pores are visible now. It has become patchy somewhere, I would say, and I can see my smile lines. Not patchy, it hasn't become patchy, but I can see my smile lines. I can see the creases under my eyes. But when I see the side of the Maybelline Superstay foundation, it's absolutely gorgeous. Till now, after so many hours of application, the finish of Maybelline Superstay foundation is absolutely gorgeous. So it's great. I love this foundation more before trying out these, before comparing these foundation. But if you want to apply the foundation for long time, if you want to apply for 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, go for the Maybelline Superstay one. And if you want a more natural finish, just go for L'Oreal Infallible one, because After so many hours, the foundation is looking absolutely gorgeous. The finish is looking absolutely gorgeous. This side of my face looks absolutely poreless, whereas this side the pores are visible, the fine lines, the smile lines are visible. So the finish of the L'Oreal Infallible foundation has definitely changed, whereas Superstay foundation is still very gorgeous. So that's how this foundation looks after so many hours of application, and I think I've told you everything about these foundation. Now I am quite sure that you can figure out which foundation to buy. Although these two foundations are 95 to 98% similar, but there is a slight difference in coverage, in oxidization, in finish, in stay, and in quantity. So there is a slight difference in these foundation, and if you want for lot of hours, if you want to apply for long hours, go for Maybelline Superstay One. Definitely go for Maybelline Superstay One, because I love the finish of foundation after so many hours. At the beginning it looked very similar. After 2 hours it looked very similar, but now I can notice the change in finish. So that's all I had to say. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like my look and if you want to know how I created this look, there is my Instagram handle. You can go and definitely check it out. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye, see you next time.